Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the Marco Polo video messenger app on device. Now if you are the user of Marco Polo video messenger app and you want to use it but you don't know how to install it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to use the Marco Polo app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, then you may scroll from the very top right and see if you are connected or not. So if you are not connected, you may simply click on the Wi-Fi icon and connect to Wi-Fi. And if you want to connect to data, you may simply scroll from the same side and turn on the mobile data. So after doing that, you may open App Store on a device. And if you are using Android, then you may open Play Store on a device. And after that, you may click on the option of search at the very bottom right. And from here, you may click on the option of search or the search box and search Marco Polo. So after clicking on the option of search, here you will see the option of Marco Polo video messenger. So if you click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue, the installation process will start. And if you are installing it for the first time on the iPhone, then you need to double press on the power button. After that, you may click on the option of install to install it on device. So that's it. That's how you can install the Marco Polo video messenger app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.